Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Right, so this week here is my last week trading until next year, because of how during December the market really moves kind of slow and stuff, because everybody just relaxing during the holidays and stuff, right? So yeah, this week here is my last week trading. I'm just going to be back testing and forward testing during the week, but I'm not going to place any type of trade, right? But in this video I wanted to show you guys basically trade breakdowns on the trades that I took today. So today I traded gold and US30, right? Which is kind of, US30 was kind of crazy because I don't usually trade US30, right? You guys can see the US30 is actually my others, right? I mostly focus on USD CAD and gold, right? But today we didn't get any type of those trades, right? So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so here we have gold, and you guys can see here we have a supply zone marked up, right? So made me want to enter this trade is that, okay, so starting off New York session here, right, 8 o'clock, right, we had a break of structure right there. We broke this low, and we formed a supply zone, right? And if we go over to the 1 hour, right, you guys can see that we basically in a downward trend right now. So I was just mostly looking for sells at this point, right? That's why I drew up the supply zone and stuff, right? So got that supply zone marked up right there. So now we're just waiting for price to enter into the zone, right? So price came back up here. I'm showing some strong momentum, right? This here was telling me, you know what, price is definitely going to break the zone, probably going to go up to liquidity, right, sitting right above here or right here, and just head back down, right? But in this case here, price did not do that. It actually showed a rejection right there and came back down, right? And I decided to enter break of candle, right? I was supposed to enter right here, but as you guys can see, price then showed some rejection, came back up, and decided to enter right here. And then, well, eventually price did came down into our take profit. Took us a little while. I didn't do a live recording because I was actually showing my cousin how to actually trade and stuff, so we both of us were just taking these trades together. All right, so yeah, this was this trade. This was just simple gold trade. This is like an early morning trade. I actually did post it in the Discord. Let me show you guys this here, right? This is it here, so you guys can go check it out. Discord here, you guys can see it's fairly still news and stuff, right? So let me just show you guys the next trade. So hang on. Okay, so here we have US30, right? You guys are probably seeing these lines. I was like, what is these lines for, right? This line here was for liquidity, right? These two lines here, I was supposed to enter here and actually take out like a 1-to-1, right? A 1-to-2, aim for this low, these liquidity sitting at the bottom here, but I missed this trade here, so I was just looking for aiming to enter the buy side liquidity, which you guys can see right there. Liquidity was sitting there. As on the 1 hour chart, it came down. I believe this here was the candle, right? Okay, soon as I touched this zone, actually I then move over to the 5 minutes, right? I was looking for my entries, right? So guys, seeing this down here, this I would then wait for this candle here to close, actually, right? I was just seeing the beautiful rejection here, and I decided to enter pretty aggressive there, right? You guys can see my stop was really small. Some people, what I used to do was put my stop loss below down here, right, which used to cost me a big loss, right? So I'm really starting to put my stop loss kind of tight and aim for 1-to-2 now, right? And now I'm just seeing major results, right? Because I had 2 wins today back to back, and it was just amazing, right? But we just see how this week goes, and we'll see what happens, right? So I decided to enter pretty aggressive right here. This candle here was actually making me feel that price was going to reverse, came back down because of this liquidity sitting out here, right? So I waited for this candle to close, and price eventually shot all the way up here, and then this candle here reached up into this high right there. It was like, all right, so it just swept liquidity again. Price is definitely going to come down and stop me out, right? So I was like, you know what, let me just break even. So I did break even after this candle close here, just in case price reversed and came back down. I wouldn't have you know, make any type of loss right there. So price eventually came back up. This candle here, I actually loved it because of how it did not actually showed any rejection. It just closed inside of this zone right here. So I was like, you know what, price can actually still go up. This is a nice candle, a nice momentum candle right there, which price eventually did that. Price went all the way up to my take profit, and well, you know, I got took out of the trade, sorry about that. And then, well, yeah, that's pretty good. That was a nice trade there. And then, well, price then came back down and then reversed and went back up, right? So it just made a new high right there. So that was basically the trades that I took today. I was going to do a live recording, but you know, I was just helping my cousin take these trades. We both, he didn't take this US30 trade because of how the broker's situations, right? So he was just using the MetaTrader demo accounts, right? So usually you really can't trade US30 on, and you know, NAS 100 and stuff on that MetaTrader, right? MetaTrader 5. So he was just, you know what, he was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take the gold profit, and that was it. He's done for the day. He's not trading this year, right? Because I told him of how the markets move really slow and stuff during December. He was like, all right, so I must say, he asked if it makes sense starting to trade next year again. I was like, yeah, 100%. So yeah, so I might have to bring him on the channel, you know, make a live recording series with him. And you know what, yeah, I'll just challenge him and see if he could actually flip a 3K account to, or the same challenge I did at $700, 700 to 5K, to see if he can flip that, and then he probably could buy a challenge and stuff, right? So that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, join the link in the description below, and follow the Instagram link, would also be in the description below. And yes guys, peace out.